Hello, Professor. My name is Anthony Villagomez Flores, and this is my project. So the problem that I chose, I decided to weigh quarters from a bucket of coin that we keep in our house. This is the bucket of coins that we have. The methodology for gathering the weight of the coins, I'm going to demonstrate it in this video. As you can see, that is my dog. And that's a kitchen scale that we have in our house. And I would take the quarter and place it on the scale, which then gave me a reading as for its weight. I did this 40 times, and I gathered uh, the weight of 40 coins in ounces, and then I found the average and the standard deviation in Excel. But I also calculated these values by hand. As you can see, this is how I calculated standard deviation of the dataset. I took every point in the dataset and subtracted the mean from it, and then I squared it, divided it by the population size, and then square root of that, which gave me a standard deviation of 0.0174 ounces. I then found the degrees of freedom by taking the population size and subtracting 1 from it. And then I found the mean by summing the every data set point and dividing it by the population size, which then served as the point estimate. And then, as previously discussed, I found the standard deviation, and then the standard error was computed by taking the standard deviation and divided by the root of the population size, which gave me a standard error of 0.0028. And then this t star value of the 95% confidence interval was 2.02, which then I used the confidence interval formula to find point estimate plus or minus t star times the standard error, which gave me a confidence interval of 0.2016 and 0.2130. So from that, we can conclude that with a 95% confidence, the average weight of a quarter lies between 0.2016 ounces and 0.2130 ounces. As for recommendations to improve the project, I could say we could use a more precise scale, randomize the sample by gathering quarters from different locations, randomize the sample by gathering specific state coins because their designs vary, which may have an impact on their measured weight, and then we can also increase the sample size. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.